are you? I hope you are doing fine, and welcome to another video where we are going to paint this beautiful rose watercolor wreath. So let's get started. I am using hot pressed watercolor paper and I have folded it to make a card. You can use cold pressed watercolor paper. This is cold pressed. I like using both papers. We'll use watercolors and we will use two brushes. Why? I'll show you later. And we will use pencil to draw an oval on the paper. We will also need some water and an old cloth or tissue. Mine is very dirty. I'm so sorry. So now we are going to tape down our paper on the table so that while we paint, it don't move. The first thing we will do is we will mix some colors we are going to need in the painting. For my rose, I'm going to mix some opera rose, some scarlet lake and lemon yellow. You can use any color you want. You can directly use opera rose or you can use yellow as well, whatever you wish. So I'm going to mix out some color until I get the result I want. I'm using artist grade colors from Sennelier and Winsor & Newton, but it is not necessary for you to use the same colors. You can use whatever color you have. It is totally alright if you have student grade colors as well. So I think I have achieved the flower color I wanted. So now we are going to mix some leaf colors. So I'm taking out sap green from, I think it's from Winsor & Newton. I'm not so sure, but I'll link it down in the description below. So we are going to make 3 different leaf colors. So one is going to be darker, one is going to be medium, and the third one is going to be lighter color. So for the branch, I'm going to use some burnt umber, and to darken out, I'll add Pines green. I prefer mixing out colors before I start painting because then it is easier for me to focus on painting only. Now we are going to take pencil and draw an oval. It is not necessary to paint a perfect oval. It's fine. Just go on for 4 to 5 times and then you will have it your so perfect oval. Erase out the extra lines and there you have it. Now we are going to start painting. First we will paint roses. Now I'll tell you why we need 2 brushes. So take colors on your brush and start painting smaller C curves, only few curves, and then take out your another brush, take clean water in it. Mine is not so clean, but I'm fine with it, and then spread out the color we have just painted to paint the outer petals of it. Just look at the another rose how I'm painting and you'll get the idea of what I'm talking about. If you're not so sure and don't want to go directly on your final paper, I suggest you to first paint it and practice it on scrap paper. Then you'll feel more confident and then you can go for it. So what I'm doing here is, on my oval, I'm going to paint a bunch of roses on different places. For the remaining space, I'll paint branches and leaves. That's what I'm gonna do. Also, in the last video, we painted beautiful palm trees and a blue sky and clouds. If you want to watch that video and if you want to try that tutorial, I'll link it up here, or yes, and in the description. Why not? So I'm going to shut up and let you enjoy watching this video, or if you're painting with me, anything. I'll be back soon. Okay, so our flowers are done. That means we do not need our another brush. Now we will need one brush only. So we will take some brown color we made, and we are going to paint the branches. You don't need to go over exactly the oval we painted with the pencil. We want these lines to be imperfect, so they look like branches. We are also going to draw some another branches going out from the main branch, and after that we are going to paint leaves on it. So here you can see I am drawing smaller branches that are going outside of our oval. These little details makes your painting look more beautiful. I also suggest you to use a brush which has a pointed tip, so it is easier for you to draw smaller, thinner line like this. Now it is time to paint the leaves. If you don't know how to paint leaves, I have a separate video dedicated to only how to paint leaves. So if you want to check it out, I'll also link that video. So by taking the three kinds of sap green mixtures we have made, I am painting leaves wherever I am feeling like. There is no guidelines and no rules. You can paint your leaves wherever you want. If you have any query, any question regarding this tutorial, please feel free and comment down so I can help you. If you want me to make any particular video, I can make it. Please let me know in the comment section below. I am already loving this painting. This looks so pretty, so beautiful. It's just lovely. You can frame this, or as I'm doing it right now, you can take a paper, you can fold it, and you can paint it, and you can make a greeting card out of it. That's just wonderful. We are just about to finish. I don't think I am going to paint a lot of leaves around the flowers because then it will overpower the flowers we have painted. So yeah, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I am going to post tutorials every week. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, and thank you so much for watching.